All right, we're solving and checking. Starting with step 2, to combine like terms, we're going to start on the left side. The like terms are the variables. So we have a 2y and a 4y, which makes 6y. Bring down the minus 8. We also have like terms over here. They're both constants. It's a negative and a positive, so subtract to get 10. There's more positives, so it's positive 10. Now, variables are on the left, so I need all constants to be over here on the right. This minus 8 has to go, so I do the opposite on both sides. These go away. 10 plus 8 is 18. Isolate the variable, divide by 6. I think y is 3. Let's change our color and check it. Instead of y's, we're going to put 3's in their place. I don't have a lot of room, but I'm going to try. So 2y becomes 2 times 3 minus 8 plus 4y becomes 4 times 3. And then negative 2 plus 12. You always want to write it exactly the way it's written the first time. Now we start simplifying. 2 times 3 is 6. And 4 times 3 is 12. This I know is positive 10. I'm going to combine my positives, so 6 and 12 is 18. And 18 minus 8 is 10. It checks out. Now I can box my answer.